Right, doggies, let's do this. Good dog. Let's go. We just got to pick up a couple of more things. Don't know if we'll need this today. The wind, we got a fair whack of wind, but it's sort of going with us. Dog. Yay! Yay! Chainsaws! Guys, it has been a while. It has been a while. I got some little small ones to take out, just this one and the one beside it. No, this one and this one. And then another one right here. So I got 3, 4. There's probably about 10 trees need to come out and just in this little section. They're all very small. Okay, so but everything in sequence. Okay, so it's going to have to be this one and then this one. Okay, I do have a wind sort of coming across me this way a little bit, but I'm just going to fell the first one straight and see what happens. Okay, I have my ropes and my felling bar and stuff like that as well. So let's take this down. Okay, so there's very little to this tree. The thing is that there's a house. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a rope on it, and I'm going to reef it off to one of these stumps down here. Okay, and the rain has come on a bit. So, and what that means that if it just won't be able to fall backwards on me. Okay, and if it comes with a bit, I can bang it, or I can go out and I can pull it over, you know, when it's cut up. So what I'm going to do is sort my camera out first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the rope in it, then I'm going to put my face cut in, and then I'm going to put tension on the rope, and then I'm going to start my back cut. I think that'll work. I think. Wally's making stuff up again. Yay. Oh, I forgot about Bruno. No, stay. Good dog. Bruno will be like, yay, rope to chase. Good dog. Check out this little guy. He's quite a little bit of a lean on him. It's going the direction I want, but he's also going a little bit this way, so I think maybe if I aim him a little bit off this way, I might be able to get him to go. He does look like he has a bit of a bend. Stay. Oh, I'm out of fuel. I'm out of fuel. Hang on. Away, come here. Away. That worked. Look at Bruno. Hang on. Stop shouting, Wally. Stop shouting. Look at Bruno sitting out there, being all good dog like and all. Hey, good dog, Bruno. Good dog. Good dog. Good dog. Ah, go get a stick, guys. That'll do it for this section. No, I have another one here. I want to take out. I'm going to try and put it to the other side of this one, but I'll do that in another video, guys. That will do it. It is, I can honestly say that the rest of this day, the next hour, is probably every tree is going to go wrong because every tree just went right, and that doesn't happen for me down here. Just with all the you know yourself, guys, you know yourself. But anyway, listen, I'm going to jinx myself now by saying that. Thanks for watching. Stay frosty.